Good morning class. I am teaching you chapter 5 of science, that is soil. In soil we have already discussed soil, soil profile, soil erosion and soil conservation. So on the basis of the topics we have discussed in the class, some exercises we need to do which is given at the end of the chapter. Let's do those exercises. Now, today we are going to do filling the blanks and name the following. Tick the correct option we have already done in the last class. I hope all the things are clear to you all. So let's do the exercises. Filling the blanks with the correct words. First is dash is essential for plants to grow. Now the options are fertility, afforestation, deforestation, soil conservation or soil. Among these we have to select the correct word. So what is essential for plants to grow, without which a plant cannot grow? So the answer will be soil. We will write soil over here. Soil. Okay. Now, dash of the soil is greatly reduced by soil erosion. Okay. Soil erosion is the process. I hope you all remember the way in which the top soil, which is the most fertile layer of the soil profile, the top soil moved from its place due to the action of sun, wind and water, and this whole process is called soil erosion. When the topsoil moves from its place, or the carrying or wearing away of topsoil by the action of sun, wind or water, that is called soil erosion. So, which is responsible for soil erosion? Dash of the soil is greatly reduced by soil erosion. What is reduced by the soil erosion? Fertility, afforestation, deforestation, soil conservation or soil? No. Fertility. Fertility means the ability to grow. The ability of a soil to grow a plant. So the answer will be fertility. Okay. Now, third is the indiscriminate felling of trees. What we call the indiscriminate felling of trees? Afforestation? No, because in afforestation we plant more and more number of trees. Deforestation or soil conservation? Soil and fertility we have already filled. Soil conservation, when we preserve the soil from soil erosion. So soil conservation cannot be the answer. So deforestation. In deforestation the trees are cutting down in a large number. So the answer will be deforestation. Deforestation. Now, in the fourth, protection of soil against soil erosion is called what? Protection of soil against soil erosion is called soil conservation. When we protect the soil from soil erosion, it is called soil conservation. So we will write soil conservation. Okay. Now, dash is an effective method of reducing soil erosion. What is an effective method of soil erosion? That is afforestation. Afforestation means when we plant large number of trees, that process is called afforestation. And if we plant large number of trees, the roots of the trees hold the soil, and which leads to protect the soil erosion or reduce the soil erosion. So the answer will be afforestation. Afforestation. Okay, in this way we have completed filling the blanks. I'll post the picture of this filling the blanks, and you have to do filling the blanks in your copies also. Now name the following. First is 3 components of soil. You have to write the name of the components of soil which we find in the soil. So the answer will be what we find in the soil: sand, clay and gravel. These are the things which we find in the soil. We find so many other things also, but we have to write only 3 components of soil. So we will write only 3 here. The most fertile layer of the soil. Which is the most fertile layer? Means where the plants grows very properly or very fast. So which is the most fertile layer of the soil? The answer will be topsoil. The answer will be topsoil. We have studied in soil profile that topsoil is the most fertile layer of the soil. Now third, two agents responsible for soil erosion. What are the two agents? We have studied three agents which are responsible for the soil erosion. So we have to write only two agents. So the answer will be strong wind and running water. Running water. Okay. So the two agents are strong wind and running water here. Running water. Okay. Now the third agent is also there, that is human activity, but we have to write only two agents, so you can write any two of them. Now two human activities that cause soil erosion. Now you have to write the name of the two human activities that cause soil erosion. What are those? That is deforestation. The first thing a human being do is deforestation. Deforestation means cutting down large number of trees, and second is plugging of hill slope. Plugging of hill slopes. So these are the two activities which human beings do. Now what is plugging of hill slopes? Means पहाड़ों की खुदाई करना. What will happen in that case? The soil become loose over there and it can be easily eroded. So these are the two human activities which cause soil erosion. Now the part of plant which hold the soil together. Which part of the plant holds the soil together? And the answer is roots. Okay. So in this way we have completed two exercises. Now what you have to do? You have to do all these two exercises in your copies. Okay. If you have any problem, any confusion regarding these exercises, you are free to ask me the questions during the class or after the class as well. But do your work, complete your work on time and do it in your classwork copy. I'll post the pic of this exercise also. Thank you, class.